Today I'm going to discuss with you three things. Number one, this equals to sign, double equals to sign, and this equals method. Why it is called a method? I told you before, anything that has brackets around it is known as a method. Okay, so let's discuss this equals to sign first. This is basically known as an assignment operator. This is comparison. And this I told you, this is equals to method. Equals method, not to, equals method. Okay, so this is basically assignment operator is used to assign a value to a variable. When we write a is equal to 10, we are assigning a value of a to 10. We can write like this. Okay, this is a double value assigned. We can say this, and this is a character assigned, right? Or we can also say bool, that is we can assign true or false, whatever we want. This is a boolean value. So the types of values that can be assigned here are all primitive type. Primitive type. Okay, so how many primitive types are there? There are 4 integers, there are 2 floating point types, okay, and then boolean, character and boolean, char and boolean. So they are 8 in all. How many are there? 8 in all. There are 18 numbers. So that's about assignment operator. Comparison is to compare two values. So how do we do it? So we've used if. So if, sorry, let's delete it. If a this, which means if a is equal to b, if a is equal to b, okay, then we have to do something, right? So this actually is used for how many values? That is very important. So all primitive types, primitive types. Okay, so how many values are there? 8 values are there, right? 4 integers, 2 floating point types, character and boolean. So that's about 8 values it can be used for. Now the question comes, how do we compare a string? So how do we compare string? So to compare a string, we use a method called equals. I told you before in my previous videos that a string is not a data type, it is a class. So there is a method to check whether the string is equal, and we can also check whether it is less than or greater than. But today I'll discuss with you equals method. So if there is a value string month, right? And I input it. So how do we input? We input it with, let's say, sc dot next line. Okay, so month is equal to sc dot next line. So what are we going to store? We're going to input a whatever we want to, and then that is going to be stored in month. So if I have to check, like, if, how will I check? Month dot equals January, right? So that's how we check. System.out.println 31 days. Okay, so 31 days. So that's how we use. We cannot use this equals to sign. Okay, not allowed with the strings. we cannot use this, not allowed with the strings. Okay, so we use this method known as equals. But we have to be a little careful here because Java is a case sensitive language and it will treat capital and small letters differently. So to avoid that, we can basically add to equals ignore case, right? So we can add equals ignore case. So how do we do it? If I input in month, I'll say if month dot equals and then I capital CASE, and then I write here. In anything I can write small, capital, whatever I want to now. So what's going to happen is whether you input it in capital, small, a combination of capital or small letters, ignore case will ignore it. Okay, so that will be completely ignored. Okay, and that makes sense because otherwise we have to be very precise. We have to enter the way we write it here in double quotes. So to avoid that, we can do that, and then we can write system.out.println 31 days. Okay, so that's how equals is used. Equals ignore case, right? And this is a convention I told you. See, there are two capital letters here with ignore case. Okay, one is I, the other one is C, and this is known as camel case. What do we call it? Camel case. So I told you before, why do I write like my class? If there is a variable my class, I normally write it my and then I put like that. So this is camel case. This C is capital. Okay, why you shouting? Okay, so that's how it is. So right, ignore case is used here, and to check the equality when it comes to greater than less than, well, there is another method that is known as compare to. We are going to do it afterwards. Since I gave you that question of inputting a name of a method, so I thought I should tell you about equals. So there are three things here: assignment operator, comparison operator, and equals that is used for comparing the strings for equality. And you can also add ignore case with it to avoid case problems, lowercase and uppercase.